This is a very small tutorial to Nashville Hyderabad Walker. We start from the beginning. So this is a joint new button. You click here and you get to the official Telegram channel of HyperOne. There are some units we need to understand. So 1HU is $1, 1H1 is $1. These are two 8-tunnel currencies and they are back with $1. Hypercash HC1HC right now as for the market price on exchanges is $0.15 and 1 hot HOT market price is $0.56. So when you withdraw in Hypercash and then you withdraw H1. Even draw an HOT hot as for the market price. This is your profile. You can click on the profile button. You can see your informations here. This is change password and transaction password. You can change your password, you can change your transaction password by providing a new password, confirm new password, and once you're going to click on change transaction password, you will get an OTP to your registered email address. After that, you will have a new password. You can change it anytime you want. KYC verification. You can provide your KYC. It's not much on needed right now. It's not necessary, but in case you want to keep it. Okay, then you have two-factor of indicator to secure your account. You can go on Google or Indicator. You can scan this QR code and you can get to the account more secure. On the other side you have profile overview. So this is a level 5 purchase. This is $12,700 membership. So when you buy $12,700 membership, you become a level 5 qualifier for this account. H1 eligibility is no. We all know that any account which is eligible for binary is not eligible for H1, rewarded, HU rewards. Yes, hyper royalty for eligibility. Yes, so particular level 5 package level 5 membership subscription makes you a 1% shareholder of total complete on lower pay every week, and then you have name with the name sponsor name. Total H1 free collected, right now. Because I'm gonna, and we all know the transfer piece and withdraw piece or 0 once after 1 week after 3rd June, it will be over. We need to pay transfer fees and withdraw fees from our H1 wallet. So this is for like how much H1 fees collected by the company on a daily basis. Activation days, and then you can see your amount that you have paid for your subscription, HyperOne presentations. If you click on See More button, we can see basically more presentations in different languages. We can copy, we can open online, or you can download it up to us. You go down. You will find your athlete rightly if you want to invite someone to your right side. This is the link if you want to invite someone on your left side. This is the name, and this is basically a bar of your progress to us. That of level, which is 11.2. Then we have a wallet survey here to see any income. HyperOne have 5 different incomes in it. To see the incomes and rewards, they have to click on view details, and then you can see your director for the income. Your HyperOne, enhanced max out with his Valerie income. Your minor staking reward. Royalty reward and your hyper unit for it. Your H1 wallet, so you can click here and you can see the information. For a quick information, when you click on the sticking wallet. Basically, we have activated this account 28th of May and we have received the first income of level 5. Which is 5.70 HU, which will be settled on 30th of May. This is why it is showing on settled today. Again, we receive 5.70 HU as a daily basis. It will be settled on 31, so after 72 hours it's like every day the income is going to be settled. In your wallet. You can use to transfer or you can use to withdraw. To see the history we can check here. This is taking order. We did not activate is saying coming soon, so we will talk about it later. I think on a membership panel, because we have only purchased the membership, it is showing the membership purchase of 12,700, which is level 5 package but isn't excited as 7. 3rd of July 2023 we can reactivate after that. We can top up our account from here. But, top up is not needed in this situation. So we are not doing it. Then you have assets, the city there. You have your HU wallet, you have your H1 wallet, then USDT wallet and your hot wallet, and at the bottom you will find your transaction history. That how much M1Y you have deposited, how much M1Y you have converted. You have different coins here. You have different types of filtering here. So to get the H1 wallet, we have two options. In package there is some H1. Which is provided to us, we will get here. Otherwise we have a deposit hot and it will be converted to H1 automatically. This is team summary. When you go to team summary, you click on my tree, and when you buy $12,700 package, basically it's a package of 127 account of $100 each. So automatically system creates this tree where you have all the accounts, create an automatically in the tree. If you need to go down, click, you will see more tree, which is basically your all 127 accounts are here to see your direct. You're going to click here. You can see your direct, which are active 111 right is important to receive the binary income, and then you can see the level view by going to the level view in an academy section. This is very important because this is where the organization is providing the articles and tutorials. So far we don't have tutorials here. But very soon the HyperOne is going to provide tutorials for everything that is important for us to operate the system and to understand the system. And documents, you can go to documents section and you can find the documents again. A very important section of the announcement where you will have the announcement for different things. This is for hot, then this is for events, top level achievers Royal Club, and this is very important official updates. We must check every day if there is some official update from HyperOne regarding this. You have support. You can create support ticket if you have any problem. You can select your subject deposit. Withdraw other issues, and you can basically with any ticket from here in your text support team, this. Reply to you fast. This is very important for us to understand who wallet and H1 wallet. So basically most important buttons are secure, HU and secure H1. So when we click on secure HU, basically we get the list of all 127 accounts which is created. When we purchased the membership of 127 accounts, you can see 126 and the what account is here, which we have logged into. So what you have to do, you don't have to open any account, just open your main account. You have purchased subscription from, and you just click on secure H1 HU button and you will have a balance here. Provide a transaction password, submit, and you basically set, or you can take all the M1Y from all your other accounts. Directly, you don't have to log in different accounts to collect the M1Y right now. All the incomes which we are receiving is an unsettled status. Once it will be settled, we will be able to see the balance of HU here, all the accounts which are eligible for HU. We will get HU by just providing an collaboration passport and submit. We can collect all the M1Y, and similarly for H1. Also, when you click on secure H1, you get the list of all the accounts, 126 accounts. Out of these 126 accounts, the accounts that are eligible for H1, you will see those accounts income here, and you have to provide your transaction password, submit. It will send to the balance here, and all the H1 will pull up to this wallet. All the who will pull up to this wallet. This is very amazing and very important. Easy to understand transfer. When you transfer, basically, you have to provide the receiver username right now. P is 0 because of Bonanza, otherwise it will be one person deducting from your H1 wallet. If you don't have wallet balance, you cannot operate this transfer, operation. On the other hand, when you click on withdraw, you have been drawing in your hash cash, and again, 10% fees will be elected from your H1 wallet. So we need to make sure that we must have enough balance in order to withdraw the amount that we are trying to withdraw. Let's say if you have a dry, for example, 1,000 here, the team will be showing up here as 100. They started taking piece right now, but the first 7 days is free. So let's enjoy this. Then you have deposit HU, deposit H1. When you click on deposit HU wallet to exit your usage, you already can click here. You will have a wide address. It's kind of copy deposit, and automatically after some time the transaction is completed on the blockchain. It comes to HU wallet advanced. Similarly, to have a balance H1 wallet, we can collect the balance from a second secure H1. We have eligible account, in our membership. We will collect it easily to have more. They can click on deposit, click on hard deposit. On the market price are hot, it will be converted to H1 wallet. So this is a quick walkthrough of the dashboard, which we have to understand. Very importantly, we have to understand that whenever we are buying any membership from level 1 to level 5, we will have multiple accounts generated automatically by the systems. Each account is $100. In this case, we have 127 accounts and rated to see the accounts which are generated for us, then we click on Secure HU or Secure H1 button. You will see all the accounts which have been generated in by the system, for you when you buy this package. So, all of 127 accounts, you don't have to worry about nothing to take care of a master account every day after business closing. Click on Secure HU button, click on Secure H1 button and all the M1Y will pulled up from all your accounts. Can be available on this main account. So thank you guys.